Made it back to the U-Haul place. Gonna take this shit off and we're gonna head back to the auction, pick up the Trailblazer, and I got a driver. The driver will be driving either the Trailblazer or the Durango. Not quite sure yet, but we'll figure that out. But it is late. My body is tired. I think I'm just tired from running and gunning all day and yesterday, and still going to the gym, keeping my commitment. When it's late, you just want to get it just done and over with. All the extra stuff really don't matter. Keep up this last side. Should have this thing twisted up high enough to where I should be able to get this out of here. Let's see. And we're good. There. We are done. We're gonna head back to the auction. Alright, just made it to the auction. I got my slip. I'm gonna go pick up this Trailblazer and bring it outside. Inspect it real quick, make sure everything's Gucci. Then I'm on the road, man. I'm tired. Hopefully I can be in and out in like 20 minutes. All right. So I'm surprised how bright this camera makes everything look, because in person, it looks a whole lot darker than what it looks on camera. So I'm looking for my Trailblazer, and if I remember correctly, it's way over there. But I came here, not last time, but earlier today when I came here, I checked over there for my car, and my car ended up being way on the other side of the town. So I'm gonna see if I can pull it up on the map. If I can, awesome. Hopefully it's in this area. If not, then we're gonna have to go literally, I mean, there's like some lights way over there in the distance. That's how far we're gonna have to go. Give me a minute. It is not way over there on the other side, thank God. It is somewhere over here to the right. And like I said, this camera makes everything so much brighter than what it is, and so much warmer, because I know a lot of you guys are probably up north, but it is, it's probably in the 60s, high 50s, like really high 50s, like 61 degrees in the 50s type, you know what I mean? Anyway, it's not that cold, but we're in Florida, man. I got a t-shirt on and some shorts. So 1, 2, 3. So this is the third row, and if I did my calculations right, my car should be somewhere over here. Oh, I hope it has heat, man. I hope it has heat. Let's see where she's at. That sucks. Look, you see that? Somebody left the lights on in that car, or I don't know what they did, but the tail lights are on, which of course it's gonna drain someone's battery. I know it's not security's job to probably, you know, fix something like that, but it'd be nice if they did. One less thing that we'd have to worry about as a dealer is that coming here and having our battery just die, just completely dead. I thought it was running, it's not. It's just dead. Really nice looking Ford Explorer too. All right, I'll cut you guys back on when we actually find this thing. I do remember it was next to some vans, so if I'm correct, it should be right there. You see it? Right there. There she is, mate. Now this one has an excellent set of tires. I was just able to get the dolly off the back of the Durango, and oh man, I hate driving with a dolly, guys. That's one thing that I cannot stand, is driving with the damn dolly. Anyways, put some lights on in this bad boy. Now I already checked the fluids on it. The fluids look good. And she fires right up, man. I'm happy with that. Adjusted seat. Chevrolet, baby. The Chevrolet. All right, look at that, man. Got heated seats. Got memory seating. This was a lot for 2007, guys. But the sunroof does not work, man. That's what I do remember. The sunroof did not work. Let me turn this down for now. Let's focus on driving. All right. Now the main thing is I want it to shift smooth. So let's see if she does. Yes. Wow, she shifts really smooth. That's actually really good. So I'm happy with that. Let's turn her around. Turn her around. I hear a little bit of suspension squeak. Nothing that we can't fix. But we are riding. Oh yeah, and she's got some pep in her step, baby. Some pep in her step. So we are good, guys. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, man. Little squeak in the suspension, guys, but the check engine light, honestly, for doing this for pretty much 10 years now, doing this a decade, I'm almost positive we're going to be able to drive all the way home and this check engine light is not going to give us any issues whatsoever. I have never scanned it, but I'm almost positive it has nothing to do with the drivetrain. I'm almost positive this drivetrain is perfect. Let's see if the heat works, because I know the AC does. Just got the AC on now. Turn it off. I'm going to crank it up a little bit. Let's see, how do you change it? I don't know how to change the... Well, that's the maximum heat. How do you... Alright. No, that's the heat. That's that. That's off. That's on. That's heat. How do you change it from... Look. These are kind of faded so you can't see it. There we go. So let's see if this heat... I feel like I can already start to feel it a little bit. I feel like I can feel the heat already, but I don't know. I might just be tripping. Man, this car feels good, man. I'm excited. So that's 3 cars I bought and 3 cars that are pretty much good. So I'll get this thing outside the gate and I'll get you guys a few more pictures, a few more videos, and of course I gotta be on my way, man. I gotta make it back home. Let's see. I'm trying to figure out how to... 184,000 miles on it. Oh yeah, and we got 3/4 tank of gas. I thought we needed gas. We don't even need gas. Thank God. We can make this. We can make it all the way home plus some. AJ, you said, right? All right, y'all, take it easy. All right. I guess old girl had a crush on somebody in here. She worked at security, so this is a big establishment, so I'm sure she probably liked somebody, one of her coworkers or something. I hope y'all work it out. I hope y'all rekindle y'all little fire or whatever y'all got going on. That sounds kind of nice. All right, let me get going. All right, so here she is. Very clean Trailblazer. I think this one's gonna go really quick. It's probably gonna go quicker than the Ford Taurus that I have, but she is very clean. Maroon in color. That's only dirt on the top, so that'll clean up really good. It's got the sunroof, nice leather seats, almost new tires all the way around. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is only a 2-owner vehicle. So we're gonna put the rolling motors back there. Trailblazer LT model. It's got the tow package. Let's pop her open back here. Got the floor mats, a few other goodies back there. And now we're ready to roll. Ready to roll. All right, guys, it seems like this car is doing really good. The Trailblazer that I'm in is doing amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. I'm headed home. I'll cut you guys in for just a quick little video just to let you guys know I made it back home safe. I got the Durango behind me. I'm in the Trailblazer. You guys know what time it is, man. It's roll time, baby. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, man. I will see you guys on the next video. God bless. Peace.